Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't hit subscribe, I would love it if you would. If you are already subscribed, thank you for joining me. If you guys are watching this on Sunday, May 27th, then Pookie Cuties, the shop for this kit, is having 50% off. She doesn't currently have this kit in her shop, but 50% off, and she has super cute items in her shop. So my normal Erin Condren plan with me will be tomorrow, I think, because I wanted to make sure this one went up so that if you wanted to take advantage of that coupon code, you could. So yeah, 50% off her entire shop. If you are shopping on Sunday, May 27th, because it was the 25th through the 27th was her sale. Okay, anyways. Like I said, this kit is from Pookie Cuties. It is a beautiful kit. I bought this last year sometime, and I just never used it until now. So it's very springy. It's peach, lilac, a magenta, or not really a magenta, like a rose pink, and then the aqua kind of color. So it has butterflies and flowers and gold glitter and all sorts of stuff. This is bottom washi and washi strips. We have headers. I think these are header sized. No, they must be a little smaller. I don't know. Maybe header sized things, otherwise just washi, and little things which are kind of color blocked, which is pretty cute. Like color blocked, like all the TVs are one color, all the meals, all the hearts, that kind of thing. We have a heart checklist and a sidebar thing, and then 3 habit trackers, date covers, patterned and solid half boxes, little heart checklists, some bill dues, and numbers for the date covers. Weekend banner, more half boxes, quarter boxes, other things, labels of all kinds down here. And then we're back to this. So I'm going to start with the bottom washi, and we're in my Recollections planner, which is a great alternative to an Erin Condren if you are not keen on spending the amount of money that an Erin Condren costs. I do realize they are very expensive. If you have not shopped with Erin Condren, though, there is a $10 off coupon in the bottom bar. It is a referral code. If that bothers you, I apologize. But you get to save money. So this is not going on straight. But yeah, so you can get these at Michael's. I know it's kind of like new planner season for a lot of people as far as like if they switch in the middle of the year when it's like planner time, but I do not. I like a January through December planner for my personal life. For work, I don't mind like an academic year planner because I'm a teacher, so that makes more sense for me for work, but for my personal life, I like it calendar year. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what color I only need one of, but it looks like I have 2 todays in every color, 2 to-dos in every color. I have 2 little things in every color, so I'm not sure it really matters. There's some other like headers mixed in there also. It's a really cute setup. I don't know if this is her same setup currently, but it is pretty cute. I don't know. 2 of those, 2 of those, 2 of those, and 2 of those. Well then, I think I'm going to do 1 pink. So I think I'll do pink on Thursday. So maybe I'll start with purple. Monday is Memorial Day, and I do not have to work. Tuesday I have to work. And hopefully that is my last day of work. I hope. But not positive. It depends what we get done, how much we get done, that kind of thing. So, I don't know. Whoopsies. I just really hope. I really want my summer to start. I'm just ready. I'm so ready for summer. I'm tired, and yeah, I think I've said that for like the past 4 videos. My apologies. I'm just done for. I'm done with students. My students are done, so there is that. That always makes it easier, which sounds terrible, but it's true, because that's like the most stressful part of the job is, you know, making sure you're meeting all their needs. So there's that. But I would still like a full-on break and start taking care of myself a little bit more, because I have neglected myself recently. I need to start working out more. I'm not sure which one I'm not going to use. I think maybe the butterfly, because it's like whited out, but I'm not really wanting to write over it. So I don't know. I also don't know which one I want to put on my sidebar. Which one says more purple? I think that one. And then we'll put the like balcony over here on the sidebar. Okay guys, I think I'm done for now. I don't really know what's happening Tuesday through Friday, so I'm not going to mark anything. But basically, there's no school because it's Memorial Day, and then I have my Sprint and Amazon Prime bill due that day. Thursday is payday. I have bills due on Monday that automatically come out, like rent and student loans. Saturday the 2nd is Planner Society and my car payment, and then this is to go visit my friend, and then I put this purple label in just so that I could kind of space the weekend banner properly, and then I can write something in there. But other than that, it's just basically like, you know, your typical spread. I probably won't have a ton of to-dos because it'll be my first week of summer break at some point, but I'm not sure which day. Hopefully Tuesday will be the end of my work week or my work year, but we will see. So let me know what you guys think of this kit. As you can see, I kind of struggled to peel some of the stickers off the papers. The cut lines weren't amazing, but they weren't horrible either. Like, it was definitely workable, and I didn't like ruin any stickers or anything like that. So yeah, this is my spread. Let me know what you guys think. Sorry that I have a super fast-forwarded video today, but I just didn't have a lot to say. I'm just kind of chilling out and relaxed. So yeah, this is my spread. I'll link Pookie Bear Cuties down below. Again, if you're watching on the 27th of May, 2018, she has 50% off in her shop, and my regular Erin Condren video should be up tomorrow. All right, I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Love it if you're subscribed. Bye.